This is an example which shows a kinematics, which is defined here. And I'd like to introduce how quickly such a kinematic can be modeled with MCD. First, we start by creating some hinge joints. And these hinge joints are applied to the individual objects here. And by applying these hinge joints, in that case, I also create the rigid bodies directly by applying the hinge joints. Okay, so there's another one. And now when I would just play the simulation, you will see what's already connected. So also this will give us a good overview what we still have to model. So now I can just put this together. And let's see, it's still not connected. So let's just put that together. Okay, let's check again. So you see how fast we can advance. Okay. So this joint has to be connected to this mechanism here. And now you can see that we get the movement out of it. And now I can, of course, also drive this movement by a positional speed control. So let's do that. Speed control, which I will apply to this joint here. And let's just do 360 degrees per second. And now you see how this pushing mechanism will work. And now I can continue with my modeling by just applying collision properties to the surface here. so that we have a collision surface here. I set the collision category to 1. Then I will create the boxes as rigid bodies. And also apply collision properties to the boxes. Now we can see that the boxes can be pushed around here, but we do not have collision properties assigned to these pushers. So this can be done by simply applying collision properties to the faces here. So let's do the same to this. And also to this, to these faces. Okay, what we will now see is that the pusher will not yet push the boxes, as the boxes are not in the same collision category as the pusher. Therefore, we will switch the collision categories of the boxes to the collision category 0, which will allow the boxes to collide with the collision surface as well as with the collision bodies of the pusher. Now when I just apply a object source mechanism to this box, and I can set this to time-based, and the interval could be 1 second, and you remember the turning interval here is 360 degrees per second. So now this timing interval directly fits to the cycle time of this machine. Then we will create boxes each second and push the boxes out.